I'm so sorry that this connect and disconnect things are going on. I'll take care of it, and I'm waiting Rachel to join in few minutes of time. In the meantime, Shanta Lakshmi, can you hear me? Yeah, yeah. Shanta, can we have a little brief about yourself? Where are you from and what are you into? No, your voice is low actually.
Hello, can you hear me now?
Yes, yes, Shanta, we can hear you. We can hear you.
Okay. Um, so Rahul, I'm sorry, I'll not be probably able to on my switch
Video.
on my video because I'm in the hospital.
Okay, okay,
I'm a
okay. No
doctor by
issues.
profession, an
Okay,
allopath.
okay, okay.
Uh, People would be wondering what is a doctor probably doing in a corporate training kind of thing.
Hmm.
Well, just to brief you about how I started with the corporate is I have my family medicine from Royal College of General Physician. I'm a
Hmm.
specialist in family medicine,
Hmm.
and that's how I started my journey with the corporate. So I
Okay,
started with occupational health, where I actually started with the health risk assessment of the employees and started having tailor-made programs for the employees.
okay.
Okay,
Good.
and then we actually this was something which was recognized even by the executive management team of the organization, and that's when I actually joined the executive team. So from there, we started having a lot of employee engagement programs, which were not just about fun and a few other activities, but we actually started concentrating on the health of the employees.
Yes.
So from the start, we actually started reframing the entire concept of health. So we actually started off with giving them a tagline saying that healthy employees is equal to a wealthy employer.
Well
So
said.
that's how we started off. So that actually caught the probably the eyes of a lot of other business heads, and that's where we started our journey with not only the physical health but also the mental health of the employees. In small buckets, we started a few programs, starting with targeting the population who are more prone for a particular health problem, giving them a set program and showing them how it could actually improve the health of the employee and directly actually having its impact on the performance of those set of employees. So,
Okay.
so we started with a lot of such programs. We to name a few, we had something like awareness programs that we regularly conducted, yoga therapy programs, relaxation techniques, a lot of other sessions like that. We also targeted the women group because we have a lot of health issues with the women. So we started a small women group, and in fact, that bombarded, a lot of women were really happy. We had something like pregnancy programs, and so many things like that. In fact, a few things actually led to a better employee satisfaction scores too. So where I'm coming from is, yes, we need L&D in terms of probably the technical support, a technical probably a technical kind of programs for the people to upskill. Second thing, probably software skills for the teams, but an equal importance to their health is also something that we really need to focus on.
That is
We
so
have
nice.
actually
That is so nice.
we actually have given a lot of in fact, myself and one of my friends who also is a doctor, we have given a lot of we actually have published a few programs, and we have we have done something like a research with a few people who are okay across cadre. I'm talking about even the executive directors and VPs were a part of those programs, where we showed them how it could improve, which also got the confidence of the other different teams, and they came back into it saying that probably it's all about the way we look at things. Okay, and we literally made people of all the categories sit down and work on a particular thing, a so-called health. I know at this point of time, when we're talking about COVID and things like that, health has become a priority, irrespective whether they are from the from the corporate world or from a business world, whatever. But we are trying to see how we can actually help people across different areas now.
That's very well said, Shanta Lakshmi. Thank you so much, for giving such a highlight on the things and the initiatives that you have taken for the well-being of the nation and the women especially. And you're true. In this situation, we are all facing the same problem. We all are under the same platform of this COVID pandemic. But life is a challenge. COVID is also a challenge. Nothing will stay forever. It has to go. It has to go. Whether it is tomorrow, maybe a day after, maybe a year after, it has to go. Nothing stays. So I think we'll grow up with the entire thing. Thank you, Shanta Lakshmi ji, for contributing your thoughts.
Yeah, thanks, Rahul. But one more thing that I would
Yeah.
like to put on here is that I would be really glad if somebody wants to really get this up in their, kind of training needs and things like that. We can format, probably a certain tailor-made programs depending on what is the requirement of that particular organization and things like that, which actually will help. To add on to it, we are also adding a lot of pediatric programs, not only for the physical health, but also for the mental health. Obviously, a lot of children going through stress for obvious reasons in the present world. So we have come up with a lot of pediatric programs. So these are few things that I would really be very happy to, get together and work on.
Sure, sure, sure. I think you are in the group, CTG group, and I will get your
Yes, I
number.
am.
Yeah, your number must be there. So I'll connect you. I'll connect you personally.
Yeah. Thanks, Rahul. Thanks for this
Thanks.
opportunity, and thank you all. I think it has been really great connecting with all of you. Thank
Yes,
you.
yes. We'll take it
And I'm
forward.
from
Don't.
Bangalore.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
I'm
Okay.
from Bangalore.
Okay. You're from
Yeah.
Bangalore. We'll take it forward.
Yeah.
Don't worry. Don't worry. We'll take it
Great,
forward.
great. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah. Rachel, over to you now.
Thank you.
Yeah, it was just a bit, I invited Shantaji to come in and speak. By the time you got connected, so I thought to speak to one few members. So yeah, you can continue. You can continue, Rachel.
Okay, I was almost winding up.
Okay.
But let's still proceed.
You can just sum up
now,
if you want.
No worries. I have all the time. Huh?
Okay, okay. Go ahead.
Okay.
Please.
So we are looking on another opportunity, that is conflict resolution, in terms of training that will fill the employees with interpersonal skills, showing them to make or to take responsibility of their own behaviors, recognize brewing conflicts, and resolve trouble before it becomes debilitating. Conflict resolutions will always help the employees know how to be diplomatic. Another point or another training opportunity is confident decision making. In real life and real-time decision making, the only feedback the most people receive comes along with results said to have the decisions. But what if the feedback is negative on a decision that was very, very important? What do? Now, throughout the training, employees get to prepare in safe environment for the big game. Those decisions that come to impact forever their companies and careers. Okay. We have so many training opportunities. We cannot exhaust every training opportunity, But as we still get along to this journey of trying to improve the status of our companies, of our corporates, and even our employees, we'll still get to interact with quite a lot. Now, how do you introduce development program, that is a training program, to your team or to your company? It is by assessing the skills you need or want for your employees to develop. You don't just come in or wake up one day and say, now today you're going to have a conflict resolution training. It can never go like that. You have to access on what is important, what is missing in your company, what improvement or what development do you want to bring in. That's when you bring it. Secondly, you have to find out or designing a training program that targets these skills. You cannot just bring any skill to your company. Later, for instance, as I heard someone talk about a profession of being a doctor, you cannot just go out and bring an artisan profession to your company or your business, because it's not relevant. You bring in a designing training that target a skill. Like if you have the health practitioners, you have to look at what are they missing, what does this nurse miss, what does this doctor need to have, what does the customer service department need to have. So it is always very, very important for you to look at such. The final one, you have to look on the offering and also evaluating of the success of the program. You have to evaluate it prior, before giving. You have to see how successful will this thing be, and you have to know how will my people benefit in this before you offer. It will be very, very important for companies to provide a path for companies to always meet the goals by empowering employees with skills and knowledge. That one you don't have to negotiate. As I said before, what do you want to be remembered for? If you're running a hospital, what do you want your hospital to be remembered for? If you're running a school, what do you want your school to be remembered for? And so forth and so on. And personally, you should always ask yourself, you are a leader, always. And if you're a leader, you always have to get that target. What is your target? What do you want people to remember you for? Or do you just want to make money? No, that should not be the case. The last thing that I love, and I always do it enthusiastically, is marketing and advertising. Marketing is very vital for any business, be it a small business or a big business. Marketing is very, very important. And when we all engage in this, our businesses will always thrive. They will always be the best. If you don't market and just expect to have walk-in clients or walk-in customers, it will be very hard. At times we have to go the other way, having different tactics, not by the normal traditions that we have. At the moment, we're seeing how the situation is, and everyone is online. Now, everyone should now try to embrace the online platform. It has many opportunities, and people are trying to go out and get more than whatever they had. We are trying to expand our boundaries. As I earlier said, I target, my market is across East Africa, but at the moment I'm global. I have clients all over, and that is what I would want everyone to participate in. You get a professional who can hold your hand, who will help you to ensure your product or your services or even your brand is well known and it's out there. How do you do that? It's by ensuring that your business has the best, it has the best profession in terms of marketing and advertising. You also have to empower them, because in marketing, you have to identify the customer's needs. and determine how best to meet these needs. And these needs can be looked at in different ways. I will just mention of two, maybe the point of sale, where you are selling, and the top of mind awareness. It is very, very important for every business person to look into that. And we also look onto advertising. How well do you advertise your business? How well do you promote your brand or your company? This is a very good exercise. By promoting a company and its products and services through paid channels. If you cannot do it your own, you can get a professional or another company to help you do it in different channels, like for instance, the magazines, the radio, the TVC, the online ads like Google, Facebook. We have so many outdoor and directories. And remember, marketing has to be done without getting tired, because we know advertising is a component for marketing. Every business, be it small, be it big, it has to invest in marketing. That is very, very important. So with that, I won't say much. I think I've concluded because I was late. I wouldn't take much of your time because you people have been here waiting. But if anyone would want to have the business development training and coaching, marketing and advertising coaching, ICT, and any sort of business consultancy, you're free to consult me. I will leave my email address behind, and I'm sure each and every person wants to grow. So feel free to have any question and ask. Yeah, I'm so happy to have this platform. And again, I know we'll have many, many more. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Rachel. Thank you for your inputs, insights into the advertising, marketing, promotion, branding. Just mere having an idea of any subject doesn't stop us. We have to excel that. We have to reach majority number of people. Obviously, if we are looking into ourselves as an entrepreneur or a businessman, we will have to promote it. We will have to market it, and we'll have to do it through maybe a proper professional can help us taking care of the technical things, and we can, we are subject experts, we can deliver. But again, the technical things are handled, so every department has a specific function to do. So anybody has any question to Rachel, she is waiting. If any of the members has any questions, please ask.
Rahul, can I ask, ma'am?
Yes, please.
Welcome, please.
Hi, Rachel.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Fine, fine.
Okay, so I'm Aditi. You may have missed my introduction. I'm an L&D consultant, having experience of around 20 years. A
Wow, that's
corporator,
great.
a
Mhm.
corporator initially with a degree in PGDM HR, one of the multinationals, and thereon after that, I forayed on my own. Very, very interested in now working globally because I feel I've spread my wings in my country a little bit, and I'm a very keen traveler. And I like to meet people across the globe. And also, I'm very much into cooking. Culinary expertise is also one of my fortes. I love to travel across the world and meet people and their cultures. So I'm very, very happy to meet you. I know another person from Johannesburg. Uh, so I would like to know a little bit of, are you connected with anyone in our country? And, do you have an idea of the kind of work that we are doing? because what you spoke on is bang on what we are also doing as far as L&D is concerned.
Wow.
And done a lot of sessions. And we were talking about this survey. What I felt is the training need analysis. That is the first step. If we want a client to be happy with our sessions, with the modules that we present, you're very correct that we need to know the concerns of the team or the participants, how we can make a difference in the way they work, how productive they can be, how much more productive. So we work along, I work along, I know a lot of facilitators and L&D experts across the length and breadth of our country. And, along with Rahul. So we're working very closely in this pandemic period where the whole scenario of training has become online. Most of the companies, if all not, are on to remote work, and now they're choosing and opting for virtual work, hybrid work, I meant to say. So we are also looking into all the aspects that you mentioned, negotiation skills, conflict resolution. These are, teamwork. These are also concerns which I particularly address. So I would love to interact with you more, and we can bring the world together in one nutshell, and we can contribute to each other's growth. That's also that's my a heart's desire, as we're connecting with all across the world. I have relatives in US, UK, Australia, and I'm working also with some people there. I'm in, chats with them where we talk, we're going to formulate. We want to bring in the culture that is above, a particular country, and make it all inclusive. Diversity is the game, addressing the concerns of a diverse population of employees is the main motto of, I think, the L&D industry. If you agree with me, Rachel. So I would like to interact with you further.
Thank
Yes,
you so much,
Aditi.
yeah, thank you so much, Aditi. Your sentiments are very positive, and I'm happy about it. I have, so a while ago, I had a client in India from Alpha Chemical. It was a chemical engineering firm. I worked with this company for quite some time in helping them market their products across Africa. And at the moment, whatever they did got to a success. I also have partnerships in Portugal. I have a partner in UK. I also have a partner in Netherlands. And I'm not limited to grow. I still need partnerships. I still need to broaden my network. So you're so much welcome. And I'm looking forward to work with you, because
Yes.
our main aim is to grow individually and also make other people grow. That is my main aim,
Yes.
to
When I
grow and
speak
also.
of I want to include Rahul, of course, and all the fellow L&D consultants and coaches here. We want to take forward everything, and so also happy with Ryan. Also, one thing I want to tell Ryan, it's from the heart. Your country is a beautiful, beautiful country, and one destination I want to. It's in my list, in my bucket list. Not to say of Africa, I love the culture there, your passion, your dances, I love everything, and the beaches of Sri Lanka really draw me. And we have a lot of commonality. And Rahul comes from Bengal and Kolkata, who are fish eating population, right, Rahul?
Yeah,
So
true.
no, my relatives have visited Sri Lanka, and they have praised everything about your country. So Ryan, I'm hoping to meet also
Yeah,
you
sure.
us
So,
virtually.
Aditi, next time you come to Kandy, you
Even
stay with
Rachel.
me. All of you are welcome. I live in
And
Kandy.
you are also, Rachel and Ryan, anytime. We are, I think Indians are great hosts. I'm proud to say that, and our doors will always be open to both of you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Over to you, Rahul.
Yeah, it was a lovely session. I mean, above my expectations. Since why I'm saying above my expectations, all the speakers were committed. They came in time. They delivered in time, and we got a very nice engagement. I think for the next upcoming session, which I'm planning for the next fortnight, maybe another 14, 15 days, I'll take a long gap because I would like to connect some more people with us and make it a more engaging. You know, I said in the beginning, and I believe in one thing, that I don't want a lot many people to be in the platform. I want people who are serious into it. That's it. It can be 3 people who are in the platform, joining, engaging, and learning, and delivering themselves and exchanging out of that. That is good. I don't want 100 people to coming and make it a gathering. It's not about promoting in that way the group. I want to help people out here across the globe. So I'll take a fortnight gap and I'll pre-inform all the speakers, all the members out here when I'm scheduling that, how am I scheduling, and maybe next time we'll schedule it in the evening time because a lot of members are
Yes,
wanting to come down in the evening. Rachel, do you
yes,
have a
sir.
problem in the evening time, Rachel?
Yeah, in the evening, I'll have a problem because I'll have other commitments.
Okay.
And due to the time zoning, at times it will clash
Yes.
with other people because I also provide services later in the day.
Okay.
We'll work out, Rahul. Work out
Yeah,
the
we'll work
time.
out. We'll work out with the time. I understand that
Such a time,
AFT is a concern. Yeah. Yeah, Rachel.
I think such a time is okay.
This time is okay?
Yeah, this time is okay with me.
Okay. Because I had few speakers who were interested to come in from Malaysia, UK, but they were having a problem with the timing and they have sessions in the morning, unfortunately. But this will always happen, it will always happen.
Yes,
Today
and
we
you
are
can
free.
break up.
Yeah, today we are free,
Yes.
we are here. Maybe today one of you had a session that would have to be prioritized than this week. So I understand that. It's okay. So
I have just few sessions
yeah.
coming up. So
No, it's
we'll
okay.
have.
We'll end in time.
Then
Don't
we'll
worry. We'll end in time. We are almost to an end. Before we end up this session, once again, thanks to all the members who have joined in. Thanks to all the speakers who have come in and spoken. And if you have any members, if you have any questions or any of you have any questions, it's an open forum now. I'll leave it for another 5-10 minutes and then we will maybe flagging off. Any questions, you can please exchange between yourselves. I'm there to help you.
Hi Rahul, good evening. Anil here.
Hi Anil, how are you?
Yeah, great. I was in Mumbai train, that's why I did not call you.
Okay. Nice being here. You're here. I'm so glad to have you. Please.
Great. I was going through the entire conversation. It was starting from Lakshmi Madam to the Rachel. It was very practical and emotional, and
Thank
how
you.
it can be blended with the business. That is a very good thing, and ma'am has already given. So we are here, and the world of tomorrow is the world of collaboration only. So far, this our training fraternity is concerned. So alone we can't break, and we have already tried enough in last 13 months. Everybody got to know what all their muscles and capacity. So it is better to join hand and go along. And that's what I came to know through the conversation itself. For that, hotel will be there since last 36 years. I'm in the profession of making people life better. So I'm also a trainer like you, right? Thank you very much, and sorry for interrupting in between. Thanks for the opportunity.
Thank you for interrupting. Not you need not be sorry. I should be thank you that you have interrupted. Elton, can you hear me? Elton. Okay, I think Elton is having some
Rahul,
issues. Yeah.
Vijay sir said that he's very sorry. As I said, he's
Oh.
got into a session, so we could schedule a session with him, soon.
Fine.
Where,
Fine.
I'm
We can
stressing that.
engage him in the next time.
Yes, absolutely. Because I have benefited in spite of so many years in this industry. I have benefited. I've been motivated, being a motivator myself. He's a wonderful person, no ego, no hassles, in spite of achieving the best in this world. But so I want all of the participants to get introduced to him.
Yeah, next time
So next time,
I'll
please
connect to
invite him.
you. I'll connect to you, Aditi,
Yes.
and speak to him, and we'll see that he is on the platform in our next meet.
Also, HR specialist Anita ma'am from
Hmm.
Mumbai.
Hmm.
He also said that she would also like to come
Good,
on board
good
next
enough,
time.
good enough. We will, in this way, we will join hands together. We cannot do things if we think that we will do everything ourselves on a single mode. We cannot do that. We will have to collaborate at some point of time. See, today we are collaborated. We never knew each other a week back, but now today we know each other very much, much more than better. And I think with this we can go ahead and we'll have opportunities for us, and we can extend the benefits to other people also. We all are professionals. At the end of the day, we all are professionals. We all have value for time. We all have value for knowledge. We'll get into that. Yes, Anil, you want to say something?
Yes, that is true. Thank you very much for acknowledging. And in fact, what I mean to say, everybody have got their niche. Everybody have got their own niche. And we are the different kind of flower. Let's make it a good bouquet.
Hmm.
That's all.
That's it. That's it.
Well said.
A
Well
good
said.
bouquet will give the aroma of different flowers, and we will spread it across the world. I know it's a big dream, but we have to dream. If we have to live, we have to dream. If you don't have a dream, you are actually not living. You are dead. That's it. Even if it is a
As
small dream
Priyanka
also.
said, yeah, we want to make that our blueprint, because inside us, at least I feel that we can achieve it. Make the world our our home, really, in the correct sense, professionally.
That's a great initiative. Sorry. And thank you for making me a part of it. It was really a wonderful experience connecting with all of you. And after Rachel's video, presentation, what Aditi said, I completely agree to that. That's absolutely wonderful. That would be really great to work with collaboration with each other and to complement each other's skill. If somebody is lacking somewhere, that can actually be, the gap could be filled with some other person. And that would really be wonderful.
Thank you, Priyanka. Not, I cannot do too much to all of you, but it will be a small token of appreciation that I will issue a participation certificate to all the speakers out here, to Rachel, to Aditi, to Priyanka, to Ryan, to all of you. I will be issuing a participation certificate, which I'll email you a soft copy. That is all that I can do as of now for you. Going ahead, I think we have already discussed some plans, and we can take it forward.
Sorry.
Maybe we will require another 2-3 meetings, maybe, and then I think we can come to a conclusion where we can take this forward. So, okay, together everyone achieve more its team. Yes, Anil, you are absolutely right. So I think that is all for now. I should keep my time commitment. Oh, Jagdish have just joined, but he's Jagdish. We are just going to end up, Mr. Jagdish. I'll just speak to him.
Morning, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon, sir. I'm so sorry. We are ending the session. You are engaged somewhere, I think.
Okay, sir. I thought I am third busy and third late.
I understand. It's okay. It's okay. No problem. We will schedule another program in a fortnight's time, and I'll let you know through the Facebook page as well as through the CTG WhatsApp group. I think we'll have some more people joining in and more new speakers coming in. So thank you very much to all the members to contribute, to give the valuable time, and if possible,
Thank
please
you,
give your
Rahul,
if
for your
possible.
wonderful
Yes,
initiative.
yes, Aditi, thank you so much.
Thank you very much. This initiative was wonderful.
Yes,
This what you have initiated. We will go forward with this.
it's a very difficult task being a facilitator. It's trainer's work is easy. You can prepare and deliver, finished. Facilitator has a lot of tension, bringing people in, making sure things happen in time. everybody gets an opportunity to speak, nobody gets hampered. Lot of things has to be taken care, and there are technical issues which are burdens on you. So anyway, I have managed it. So I'm so happy that people have helped me a lot for that. I will expect your feedbacks in the group so that other people get motivated. It's not for me, it's for the other people, so that they get motivated that what they have missed out. You know, I want you, especially the speakers and the members who have been in the session, to say something in 1 or 2 lines in the group so that people know that they have missed out something very important today and they will be able to attend in the next time. So thank you very much. Take care, all of you. And I hope you'll all take care of yourself and have a great day ahead.
Thank you.
Bye-bye,
Thank you,
and
Rahul.
take care.
Thank you,
Thank you.
everyone.
Thank you so much.
Hope to see all of you soon.
Yes. Yes.
Bye.
Sure,
Bye.
definitely.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Rachel. Thank you for coming.
You,
Thank you.
I'll
and
connect
bye
you, Rachel.
to-
Nimepata connection 7. Ndio wameitisha kontakti zangu.
So with all your permissions, can I disconnect? Can I host off?
Just in few.
Okay, Rachel wants to say something.
No, I'm just concerned about something
Okay.
that I want to pick out. I just want to pick out
Yeah,
from the
please.
chat.
Okay, okay.
Nashinda, so unajua tuko nyumbani.
Elton, can you hear me, Elton? What
Okay,
happened?
you can disconnect.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Speaking.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care.
Bye too.
Take care. Thank you, Girish. Thank you, Rachel. Thank you, Jagdish ji. Thank you, Elton. And of course, thank you, Anil ji.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you.
Thank you.
for
Have a nice day.
organizing this.
Yeah, we'll
Thank
meet
you.
again. We'll meet again. Yeah.
Yes, sure, sure.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.